Hi, Ed Combs here. And now that you've equipped yourself with a basic understanding of risk management principles, you're probably eager to apply them. And as you think about your life, you realize that there are many things that you want to do that involve being someplace else. And as you think about getting someplace else, you realize that moving has more risk to it than standing still. There are many ways to get around. This slide shows a number of them, from buses to subway cars to taxis, bicycles, even walking. But private cars actually probably meet the majority of our transportation needs, at least here in the United States. And car accidents, not surprisingly, happen. This is from a place that explains to you how to take an appropriate picture after a car accident's occurred so that you can get your insurance company to have a rapid start on its adjustment. And how does everything get figured out? Well, in most states, they use what's called a tort system. Tort is a Latin word for wrong. As I say here, the states make the rules. And the underlying principle is that the individual who caused the harm should pay for the harm. How do they figure things out? How much gets paid to whom, and that sort of thing. Essentially, it's almost always the result of a negotiation between the parties. Generally, the parties' representatives, their insurance companies, they agree as to what the amount should be. In those situations where agreement can't be reached, there are lawsuits and then a court intervenes. And it's really the way most people think about it. But in fact, most payments occur through negotiation. And sort of why do we have a tort system? One, we need a remedy. And hopefully it also serves as an incentive to people to be more careful when they're doing this dangerous thing. Now, obviously, all of this only works if irresponsible people have the money to pay those people who they've hit. And states try to solve this through what are called financial responsibility and compulsory insurance laws, where they require motorists to have this sort of protection. What I'd like for you to do now is to view the video that you'll see right underneath this one, and it will provide for you an explanation of auto insurance. That's all for now.